Hi, welcome to Tati's Tutor Times, and today's lesson is on solving the system by elimination. Now, making sure to set up our system by elimination, you want to make sure that both of our equations are in standard form. And so standard form, if you remember, is having your x's and y's on the exact same side. So this is our standard form. And so by this rule, this is true for this. And so solving by elimination, you want to get rid of one of your variables in terms of having opposite coefficients. So one being positive and one being negative of the same number. Now, with this equation, with this system here, that's not the case. So we're gonna have to either reduce, multiply to change it so that way they can cancel out. And with that being said, believe it or not, both of these equations can actually be reduced. So the first one, we're actually going to divide everything by 2. So I'm just going to multiply by 1/2 over here. And then this will be our new equation. So 2 divided by 2, that'll give me x. 8 divided by 2, that'll give me 4y. And then 3. Now with the second one, we want to keep it the same signs because believe it or not, these are all negatives and this is positive. So with this one, we're going to divide everything by 5, which is also multiplying by 1/5. So negative 5 divided by 5, that'll give me a negative x, and then negative 4y. Then we have negative 3. Now, if you notice, by elimination, we want to cancel out. Believe it or not, this will cancel out if we add them together. These two terms will also cancel out, and then this will also cancel out, leaving us with 0 equaling 0. Now, what type of solution that is? You have 3 different types of solutions when it comes to systems. You have infinite, 1, and none. Now, with this being the case, you actually have an infinite amount of solutions because both sides of your equations will always equal the same thing.